Welcome back. This is Daniel Parsons. I've got a short update for you on the 9th of July, 2024. 1 year ago, I was the recipient from a very generous sponsor in the Pharm Global Network of the Cellnergy Wellness device. This is a red light TeraHertz device, and I got it hooked up into the stand that is complimentary for people that purchase one of these in-home therapy devices. You're given a 2-year warranty. I want to give you my 1 year of results, and I've not had any problems whatsoever with the function or operation. I've used it every single morning to target my right knee, which is severely damaged and will have to get replaced at some point when the Veterans Administration gets me in. So I have been able to reduce the joint inflammation by daily use of this device. And I have a chronic knee injury from all the way back when I was in the Air Force in West Germany in the 1979, 1980. And so I've had a chronic arthritis condition. And so with the help of this red light TeraHertz therapy device from Pharm, I've been able to keep functioning, not as good as if my knee was not damaged, but I'm not in a wheelchair. I'm in my middle 60s now. I'm very physically active still. I have learned that I'm not able to do the sprints anymore, so I'm not doing senior softball this season. So I want to just thank Pharm for coming up with this red light, which penetrates deep into the skin. I'm familiar with some other technology that uses blue light, and I noticed that the red light does penetrate deep underneath your skin. I'm not saying the blue light doesn't, but I'm thankful for this red light TeraHertz device. And just this spring, Pharm came out with this Cellnergy Wellness Thermal Cream. Now, I apply this in the morning on that knee that's damaged, and I put a little bit on my neck in the evenings when I remember, and I sleep very well. Now, start off with just a small dab because this cream is very powerful. And my wife, she was like, wow, she could feel it. So anyway, I'm really, really thankful. And I am going to drop my price on the Cellnergy Thermal Cream down to $45. And I just ask that you cover the shipping, and I'll cover the merchant fees that I'll get hit with. But I want to reduce the price on that Cellnergy Thermal Cream so more people will be able to experience this cream. And I have many, many tubes in stock, and I'm ready to ship out to you in the US. And I can order for you in Canada or other parts of the world because it's much easier for me, anything outside of the US, to just do a Pharm Global Network order. And one last thing, I've had some documented improvement in white blood cell counts on my laboratory blood analysis, and that is from the Pharm Immune Plus Plus product. And that's not all. They have many other wonderful products that help people as we get older. That's it for this update. Bye for now.